Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening all. Today's current affairs, that is May 12th current affairs. International Nurses Day observed on 12th May. Every year International Nurses Day is celebrated on 12th May to commemorate the anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birthday, and also celebrates the contribution done by the nurses to society around the world. But the theme for 2020 nurses, a voice to lead nursing the world to health. A voice to lead nursing the world to health. Center releases 6,195 crores to 14 states to fight against COVID-19 crisis. The government released rupees 6,195.08 crores to 14 states as the second equated monthly installment of the post-devolution revenue deficit grant as recommended by the Finance Commission. Madhya Pradesh Home Minister launches the country's first ever FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana. Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Dr. Narottam Mishra launched the country's first ever FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana in Bhopal. FIRs in complaints of general nature will be lodged on the spot because of this. Even you can call a dial 100 and you can lodge a FIR. So in case of serious complaints only, guidance will be sought from senior officers. Even the first FIR of Sunil Chaturvedi of Jawahar Chowk, remember this one, the first FIR of Sunil Chaturvedi of Jawahar Chowk, Bhopal, was lodged by dialing 100. Madhya Pradesh capital Bhopal, CM Sivaraj Singh Chauhan, Governor Lalji Tandon. Jharkhand Education Department with Doordarshan starts online classes for school children. In Jharkhand, the State Education Department, in collaboration with Doordarshan, started online classes and educational programs to provide school education to students of the state through video and thematic lectures. So, Jharkhand capital, Ranchi, Governor Draupadi Murmu, Governor, Chief Minister Hemant Soren. GI tag for Tanjavur Neti and Arambavur wood carving. You must remember this GI tag. Of course, I think it's repeated many times in May month alone, right? What is GI? Geographical indication. That is nothing like a patent right. Already I explained clearly in previous sessions. You can go through that one, particularly I think on May 2nd. After a 7-year long wait, the Tanjavur Neti works, pith works and Arambavur wood carvings belonging to the central region of Tamil Nadu were awarded the geographical indication tag by the GI registry. Geographical indication tag by the GI registry. GI tag to previously given Manipur black rice, Kashmiri saffron, Gorakhpur terracotta and Kovilpatti Kadalai Mitai. In 2004, Darjeeling tea was the first Indian product to get the geographical indication tag. Karnataka has more number of GI tags in India, that is 42. That also we discussed on May 2nd, I suppose. You can just review. Tamil Nadu, capital Chennai, Governor Banwari Lal Purohit, Chief Minister Edapati K. Palaniswamy. Sri Indu Shekhar Chaturvedi assumes charge as a Secretary, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Rajkumar Singh is Minister of State, Independent Charge. Constituency Array. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launches Central University of Odisha helpline Bharosa to help students in distress. Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched the Central University of Odisha's helpline Bharosa, and its helpline number also been given 08046801010 through a virtual platform to help student community relieve its distress amid coronavirus crisis, that is COVID-19 crisis. HRD Ministry, Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Constituency Haridwar Uttarakhand, Minister of State Sri Sanjay Dhotre. Journalist Siddharth Varadarajan among recipients of Dust Valley Freedom of Speech Award. Indian journalist Siddharth Varadarajan was one of the 17 recipients of the Freedom of Speech Award presented by German public news outlet Deutsche Welle for showing outstanding commitment to human rights and freedom of expression in the media. The announcement came on World Press Freedom Day. When is World Press Freedom Day? Just go through our previous sessions. I don't want to disclose here. You must remember. In 2020, in the midst of the corona crisis, Deutsche Welle has decided to honor 17 journalists from 14 countries. Sania Mirza wins India's Made in Fed Cup Heart Award. Indian tennis player Sania Mirza brought home country's first ever Fed Cup Heart Award. Hope you remember this, right? In Asia Oceania category, after getting more than 10,000 votes out of the total of 16,985 votes cast for this year's 3 regional Group 1 nominees. Group 1 nominees. The Fed Cup Heart Award winners were determined through online voting by fans, which went on for a week starting from May 1st onwards. Fed Cup. The Fed Cup is the premier international team competition in women's tennis, launched in 1963. The current Fed Cup chairperson is Katrina Adams. Bengaluru Airport voted as best regional airport in India and Central Asia. Bengaluru's Kempegowda International Airport stated it was voted by customers as the best regional airport in India and Central Asia for the third time in 4 years at the 2020 World Airport Awards. For an 11-year-old airport, it's a remarkable achievement stated by MD and CEO of Bangalore International Airport Limited, Hari K. Marar. IIM Bangalore ranked among top 50 global B schools in executive education. Indian Institute of Management Bangalore stated it has been ranked among the top 50 global schools for the second year in succession in the Financial Times Executive Education 2020 rankings released. In this list, IIMB is ranked 45th in the combined ranking categories, 52nd in the custom and 55th in the open programs. The statement stated. CSIR NAL develops a non-invasive ventilator to treat COVID-19 patients. CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. President is Prime Minister of India. Director General Shekhar C. Mande. Headquarters Delhi. NAL, National Aerospace Laboratories. Director Jitendra J. Jadhav. Headquarters Bengaluru. Para-athlete Deepa Malik retires to head India's Paralympic Committee. Para-athlete Deepa Malik followed the National Sports Code guidelines and announced her retirement to hold her post as the President of the Paralympic Committee of India. She is the first Indian woman to earn a medal at the Paralympic Games and has won 58 national and 23 international medals. Malik is also a recipient of Padma Shri and also Arjuna Award. Former Minister Ratnakar Rao passed away. Congress veteran and former Minister Juvadi Ratnakar Rao passed away due to age-related illness. Former JDS MP Raja Rangappa Nayak dies at the age of 61. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow.